You can also swap two variables very easily by using destructuring, by using array destructuring. Let's say I'm trying to destructure both variables. Here we have admin is Jane. I would like to make Jane as a super admin. Now you will, let's say that super admin is do. Let's try to access the admin. Admin is do. So you have lose the value of admin. So in other ways, if you're working with ES5, you can say that you need to use temp variable and you need to assign the value of admin, and here admin it is equals to super admin. Now you can assign the value of super admin to temp. Let's try to do that. Admin is equals to do. Now you have made the admin to do. Now I would like to make the super admin to Jane. Let's try to access the super admin. Will be Jane. Oops, I need to refresh that. Let's try to access the super admin. Should be Jane. Cool. Now it's time to access the admin. Admin is do. There is another ES6 way to swap two variables. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use array here. Let's say super admin. What I'm gonna do here, I would like to first put admin and super admin. Let me comment it out. Now the super admin will be Jane and the admin should be do. Let's try to access that. Oops, I got the warning error. Do not use let here. Let's try to access the super admin. You will see the value is Jane. Cool. The admin should be do. Cool.